What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how to grout the backsplash. And I have another video I'm gonna put in the description. It show you how to install the backsplash. Don't miss that. So we're gonna use the Flexcolor CQ. So it's ready. You don't need to mix anything. You just have to grab it with this. They call red rubber grout float, and just use it. And you need the sponge at the end to clean all the grout on the towel. So let's start it. First we need to clean all the mortar on between the towel. So when we install the backsplash, we left some mortar between the towel, and now we have to clean it. It's better you clean the between the towel when you install the backsplash, but sometimes you miss some of them. So make sure before you starting adding the grout, you clean the between the backsplash. I forgot what to say. So use the utility knife, or they sell the special tools for that. So but I'm using the utility knife here. It works. So you can use the utility knife or buy the special tools for that. Alright, we finished with cleaning the grout. So as you see all the dust, you can see some of them on the granite right here, and it was a lot over there. So I clean all of them. So but before you start in granite, adding the grout, make sure you clean your granite. Why? Because you're gonna drop some of the more grout later, and when you clean the granite, you can take that grout and use it again, so it's not dirty. You can reuse it. And then we're gonna clean the backsplash with the water and the sponge. So we remove all the dust on the backsplash, so we can start adding the grout. Alright, the way you want to add the grout, don't go like this from top to the bottom. So if you go from top to the bottom, you see I dropped the big piece of the grout on the granite. So because I cleaned the granite, so I can use it again, but never go from top to the bottom. Always start from the bottom and go to the top. So that's way your grout doesn't drop. So there is two different sponge. The one I had and one is, oops, sorry. So there is two sponge. One I had and one it come with the grout. It was in the box. So the second one is better. Alright guys, today is a bad day for me. My camera stand broke, so I have to put the camera on something. So I'm so sorry for that. So but you wanna put the float, go from bottom to the top. As you see I do it, and then from top to the bottom, so that way you don't drop any grout, or you drop less. So the top of the float is good for the filling the corner, and also filling the those top rail is good for that. So in the second, you're gonna see when you receive to that corner, you're gonna see I use the top of the grout, and it's like a curve and softer, so it's better for all the corner. As you see here, for the corner, I use the head of the float. That side has a curve, so it's much better for the corner to fill it up. So now is the time for cleaning. So you have to go 45 degree and change the position of your sponge every time. I just flip it, so I have a clean side. So you have to go 45, keep doing that to all the grout on the tile be clean. Make sure you do this section by section, because if you it's gonna dry fast. Not pretty fast, but you don't have that much time. So especially if that is your first time, so you'd want to do the section by section and clean it and move to the next section. So that's the way I do it. It's easier, and because if you get dry, it's very hard to take it off, and you have to take the towel out and start over again. So believe me, better to clean it section by section. So this is a trick I used after I cleaned it. So at the end, you see the water with the grout on the towel. So I'm gonna clean it with the paper towel. So some people, they said they're gonna take the grout, but they didn't. So I just see it worked perfect. So I use the paper towel and go smoothly and remove all the leftover for the grout and water. So, and clean it, that's much better. So you can use the same thing. There you go, it's very clean and nice. So you can do the same thing, use the paper towel, it helps. Alrighty, look perfect. It's nice. So we finished putting the grout, and one thing I want to let you guys know, it happened for me. Don't wash your grout in your sink, in your drain, any drain in your home. Don't do it. So as you see, I cleaned it, dried, and put it in the trash. So I'm not washing it, because those grout is gonna go to the drain and stop in the P trap and get dry over there, and in future it's gonna stop your drain. So don't do that. So after we finish, we're gonna go one more time with the clear water. We clean our sponge and we go one more time. We have to clean the towel again, because it's still, the towel is not clear all the way, it's not bright. So always after you finish, you have to go one time with the water and clean your sponge again and do it again. So do just a section by section. I'm gonna keep doing that to clean all the tile. So I finished cleaning, and you see it's shinier, is bright. As you see, look at here, let me show you here. You see the water is dirty. So, but still I want to do it one more time with the clear water, and then after that I just go with the paper towel and clean it with the paper towel. That's gonna help a lot to make it shinier. There you go, I cleaned it one more time. Actually I cleaned 2 times. So now I'm gonna go with the paper towel and just go like a circle on your towel, so make sure it's clean. So thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home. Fix your home by yourself without paying anyone. Have a great day. See you guys next video.